Hello everyone! Today, we're going to be diving into one of the most powerful data structures in Python, dictionaries. Now, if you want to have a bigger understanding about this concept, you can always check this out. So let's get started. So what exactly is a dictionary in Python? Well, think of it as a real-life dictionary where you have a word and its meaning. In Python, a dictionary is just like that. It's a collection of key value pairs. Each key is unique and maps to specific value, making data retrieval super fast. So let's create and print a dictionary. Now let's create a simple dictionary. So here's how you can do it. Let's type in myDict for dictionary. We're going to be equal to, and then curly brackets. Now when we put curly brackets, anything that's inside of those curly brackets, we know as programmers that this is a dictionary. So curly brackets is the method that we know that what we have is a dictionary. So now, let's press enter, and inside of this, let's create a string. This string is going to have name. Let's put colon, and then let's put another string. For example, we can put code fundamental. Now, let's say we want to have another key and another pair. So we can do comma and press enter, and now we can do the same thing. We're going to put strings. We're going to put inside the word age. After, let's put colon. And now this time, we're going to put an integer. So let's put 25. And lastly, let's put another key value pairs. So we put comma, press enter, and now this time, we're going to put a string, and then city. We're going to do colon, and then let's put another string. Now this time, let's put New York, for example. Let me put the Y capitalized. So now, let's go ahead and print this string. We're going to put print, parentheses, and then myDict for dictionary. Now, when we click run, it is going to output the string. Great! So as you can see, you have a dictionary with 3 key value pairs: name, age, and city. The keys are on the left, and their corresponding values are on the right. Now, let's talk about accessing and updating values. Now, accessing values in a dictionary is straightforward. You can use the key inside square brackets just like this. So after your dictionary, you can put brackets. Now inside of these brackets, you can put a key. Now remember, we have 3 keys. We have a key called name, another one named age, and the third one, city. So over here, let's say we want to put name. So we can do that. You're going to put string and then name. So now, when we click run, it is going to show us code fundamental, because we have said to the computer that, hey, please output whatever key I put in inside of those brackets. Great. Now, updating values is just as easy. You can change an existing key's value just like this. Over here, let's put age. After, let's get out the printing function, and we're going to set equal to, and then let's put 45. Now, when we print this out, and then we click run, it is going to show us that the age has changed to 45. Over here, as you can see, the age was 25, but it got changed to 45. Now, let's talk about adding and deleting key value pairs. So to add a new key value pair, simply assign a value to a new key. So inside of these brackets, we're going to put a new key. Let's say this one is going to be hobby. Now, you have to put equal to, and then you put a value. So let's say over here, we're going to put guitar. Now, when we click run, this is going to show us a new key value pair, which is hobby, and hobby is equal to guitar. Great! Now let's try and remove a key value pair using the delete statement, or del for short. So over here, we're going to delete this first, and then in front of here, we're going to put del for delete. Press space, and then it is going to delete a new key. Now over here, let's put city. So now, when we click run, it has deleted the city key value pair. Now, let me show you some handy dictionary methods. So dictionaries come with some useful built-in methods, and here are a few. Over here, I have 3 different methods. One is keys, another one is value, and the last one is items. So let's print each of these out. So when we click run, this is going to give us the result. So the keys method over here returns all of the keys in the dictionary: name, age, and city. Now for the values, it is the same thing but returns all the values in the dictionary. So as you can see over here, it says Code Fundamental, 25, and New York. Now for the items, this returns all of the key value pairs as tuples. So over here, this is the result. And that's a quick tour of dictionaries in Python. They're incredibly versatile and can help you write cleaner, more efficient code. If you found this video helpful, you can always check out codefundamental.com for more tips and tricks. So thanks for watching and keep coding.